Well, as you can see, it's starting off a bit slow, but welcome to another episode of Ferb's Fishing and Outdoors. Today I'm with Aubrey over there. We're in Perth. We're just trying out new locations that neither of us have ever done before. So we're hoping to get on some fish. We might be doing a bit of jumping around, and I hope you enjoy. Oh, Aubrey's on. We'll see Aubrey. What's you got? Littlest smallmouth. Hey, it's something. That's kind of what we're after today, so
hopefully we get some bigger boys.
there you go. Have a good one, boys. Aubrey's killing it today. There's another. That's a fall fish?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Some kind of chub or something? Yeah, fall fish.
Yeah. Oh, fucking.
You got it.
Not bad, not bad.
Oh, buddy!
Buddy.
There you go. You're going to be in this video more than me.
Catching myself fall fish. Gotta do what you gotta do for the videos.
Alright, so this spot served us pretty well. We got fall fish out of it, a couple smallmouth. I don't know if I caught them on camera, but it was okay. So we're gonna just move down the way a little bit, down that way to the corner, and if again it doesn't pick up or it's just small stuff, we'll move along to another spot in Perth. We're really trying to focus on this area because we've never really fished it before, so hopefully we can get some decent fish out of here, and you know, we find a new favorite spot. All right, I mean, nothing really to show from this spot. We tried worms, we tried grubs, we tried some lures. Nothing really worked, so we're just gonna move on. We're gonna pick up some beer at the delicious brewery here in Perth. You guys gotta try it if you're old enough. And yeah, so now we're just gonna probably try to fish on our way home. Probably Carlton Place, but if we see a spot, then we'll stop there for sure. Other than that, I just hope we get on some more fish so that this video is a little more exciting than a couple small ones. Alright, we are on our way home. Thank you to Aubrey for driving. It was a pretty slow fishing trip, but like I said, it was a new spot for us, so we really did just enjoy having a nice, cool, shady spot to enjoy ourselves and really use every technique in the book. We didn't catch anything at the second spot where we moved, but we did get quite hungry, so we went to Wendy's in town, and I had a pint while we were sitting there on the patio eating our Wendy's. I gotta tell you guys, Perth Brewery, if you haven't been, you gotta try it. It's amazing. I'm not sponsored by them, but I know I sound like I am. It's just delicious, delicious beer. Other than that, we're just gonna go to the tool store on the way home. I don't think we'll get out fishing today, but if we do get out more fishing, you know I'll film it, so stay tuned. Alright, we're back from fishing, but when's the last time you guys have seen the garden? Yeah, I thought so. It's been a couple of videos, eh? So, I mean, we got the lawns all nice and cut, thanks to my brother. But we got, oh, it's not even that bad. I just gotta come in. I'm gonna take out some of that grass again, but look at that, Brussels sprouts are getting big. Lettuce is going to seed for next year. All the zucchinis in there. Oh, there's tons in there. Hang on. Oh, there is tons in there. Oh yeah, bud. Look at them all. Look at them all. Yes. And the peas, yeah.
Rhubarb, the monster as usual.
Apples are gonna do nice too. Look at all the apples up there. Feeling good, feeling confident. Alright, that's the garden update for now. I'll do a better one when I water and when I do some weeding and stuff like that. Catch you later.